everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you my simple, fresh, no foundation makeup look for college. So before starting the makeup, I'm gonna apply this sunscreen which is from PhD. So if you have a sensitive skin like me, then you should definitely go for this sunscreen because it's very lightweight and absorb very quickly into the skin. So apply all over your face and don't forget your neck. Now to hydrate my lips and look more smoother, I'm using this Dot & Key lip balm. So instead of applying foundation, I'm going in with concealer. You can use any skin tint or a lightweight foundation. So here I'm using Mars Cancel Concealer. For everyday college makeup look, I like to skip foundation. Instead I use concealer because concealer are more lightweight and gives a natural finish. So I just apply the concealer around my mouth, under my eyes and on the spots where it's needed. This much is enough, so I'm quickly gonna blend it with the beauty blender. And yeah, you can see it's giving a very skin-like finish. So next I'm using this Blue Heaven lip and cheek tint. Juicy lip and cheek tint. Just shake it well before applying on the apple of your cheeks and then quickly blend it with the finger, or you can use a brush. This one blush is so cute. Just look at the color. It looks so fresh. And yeah, don't forget to apply a little bit on your nose for that fresh flush look. So next I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Color Chemistry in the shade brown. I'm just gonna fill my eyebrows very lightly because I want it to look more natural. And after filling the eyebrows, just brush them so that it look more natural and defined. Now I'm gonna use the same eyebrow pencil as eyeliner. This is the best and easiest eyeliner hack I've ever tried. In just a second you get a perfect wing eyeliner. Next for mascara, I'm going in with Swiss Beauty mascara. This one gives perfect volume to the lashes. I have just applied a coat and you can see the difference. My lashes look more lifted and my eyes look awake. Now to set everything in place, I'm using this Mars Cosmetic compact powder. I'm just gonna press it lightly under my eyes and around my mouth and on the areas where I've applied concealer. I really like how it gives a very smooth and matte finish to the skin without looking cakey. Now here comes my favorite part, the lip combo. So I'm using this lip liner from Swiss Beauty. I'll just slightly outline my lips and then I'm gonna softly blend the edges with a finger, or also you can use a brush. And then I'm going in with Pilgrim liquid lipstick. You can also apply the lip and cheek tint from Blue Heaven on your lips if you want a natural look. I just apply a dot and I mix it with the finger and then again I apply the lip liner. So yeah, with just 6 products I have created this simple college makeup look. I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel.